Let's pack up. Looks like you and me are taking a little vacation. Forever. Why would you do that?
That's for the lies. And that's for everything else.
Oh.
Get down!
You just scared him.
I scared him? It's him.
Astrid? Toothless. Toothless? Astrid. Ta-da, we're dead. Whoa. Where do you think you're...
I've been running through the jungle, I've been running with the wolves to get to you, to get to you. I've been down the darkest alleys on the dark side of the moon to get to you, to get to you. I look for love and every stranger took too much easy anger, all for you, yeah, all for you. I've been running through the jungle, I've been crying with the wolves to get to you, to get to you.
Jump up, kick back, whip around and spin. Then we jump back to it again. Come on, you can live. We just jump up, kick back, whip around and spin. Then we jump back to it again. Now though it's just a day away.
I'm sorry. Just get me off of this thing.
Got talked into going out with hopes you were staying in. And I was feeling like myself for the first time in a long time, till I bumped into some of your friends over there talking to mine. Then you rolled in with your hair in the wind, baby, without warning. I was doing alright, but just your side had my heart storming. The moon went high and stars quit shining. Rain was driving, thunder, lightning. You wrecked my whole world when you came and hit me like a hurricane. You hit me like a hurricane. Gonna be a long night from the moment when we locked eyes over whiskey on ice, started talking about us again. And if I would've just laid my drink down and walked out, well, I wouldn't be in my truck driving us to your house. But you rolled in with your hair in the wind, baby, without warning. I was doing alright, but just your side had my